Hello, my name is Megan, and I'm a librarian at the University of Alabama. This video will demonstrate how to use JSTOR, a database of scholarly resources for the social sciences, humanities, and the modern languages. Starting at the University Library's homepage, lib.ua.edu, select the database link from the quick menu on the right side of the page. Locate JSTOR under the Frequently Used Database menu on the right side of the page or under J on the database A to Z listing. JSTOR provides full-text materials from thousands of national and international peer-reviewed journals and scholarly books, which makes it a great resource to use for papers. The search box on the front page of JSTOR runs a basic keyword search. I'm researching how music has influenced politics in Ireland, so I'm using a type of search called a Boolean to search for Ireland and politics and music. This is JSTOR's default for basic search. Once you've run your JSTOR search, you can narrow your results in several ways, including publication date, content type, and subject. Most of your results in JSTOR will be articles from peer-reviewed journals or chapters from scholarly books. You can narrow your search results to a specific date range, such as everything published between 1985 and 2015. Knowing how to narrow search results by date is important if you need to use articles from a specific date range for an assignment, or if you are looking for analysis of historical events as they happened. You can narrow your results by content type, such as journals and books. Within JSTOR, journals usually means journal articles, and books usually means book chapters, but it can be a useful way to narrow your search results. You can also narrow your results by the subject or discipline. Please see our Advanced Searching in JSTOR video for more information about that. Once you've narrowed down your search results, if necessary, you can start reading the records to see if they would be useful for your paper. From the results list, you can see the content type, the title, the author, the journal title, the publisher, the date of publication, and the place of publication, and some topics or tags about the article. Once you know if this article is the one that you would like to use, you can select the record to see the entire record and to read the article within JSTOR or to download a PDF. Use the Cite This Item button to copy the citation in either MLA, APA, or Chicago citation style, or to export the citation to RefWorks or another citation management system. Always double-check any copied citations before you submit them for a grade. If you register for a free JSTOR account, you can add articles and book chapters to My List, which acts as a citation management system within JSTOR. Under the Journal Info section, you have a quick way to see more information about the journal, such as the scope, what type of articles it publishes, what coverage JSTOR has, how much of it JSTOR has, and the subjects, Library of Congress, subject headings. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions, you can call us, text us, or visit ask.lib.ua.edu to ask a librarian.